Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learning English USA. My name is Jessica, and I am very happy to be here with you today. Thank you for joining me for another English listening practice lesson. Today's lesson is designed especially for beginners who want to improve their English in a slow, easy, and relaxing way. Before we begin, I want you to relax. Find a comfortable place to sit. Take a deep breath and listen carefully. Remember, you do not need to understand every word. The goal is to train your ears and become more familiar with English. The more you listen, the easier English will become. Learning a language is like planting a seed. At first, you may not see much progress, but if you continue watering the seed every day, it slowly grows into a strong plant. English learning works the same way. Small daily practice creates big results over time. Today, we will talk about daily life, good habits, learning English, making friends, healthy living, confidence, and achieving goals. All of these topics use simple English that beginners can understand. Let's begin. Imagine it is early in the morning. The sun is starting to rise. The sky is light blue, and the air feels fresh and peaceful. Your alarm clock rings, and you slowly open your eyes. You stretch your arms and take a deep breath. A new day has begun. Many successful people start their day with a positive attitude. They understand that every morning is a new opportunity. Yesterday is finished. Today is a new chance to learn, improve, and grow. After getting out of bed, you go to the bathroom. You wash your face and brush your teeth. Then you look in the mirror and smile. Smiling may seem simple, but it can improve your mood and help you start the day feeling positive. Next, you prepare breakfast. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day. It gives your body energy and helps you focus. Some people eat eggs and toast. Others enjoy fruit, yogurt, or cereal. No matter what you eat, a healthy breakfast can help you feel better throughout the day. While eating breakfast, you decide to listen to English. Maybe you listen to a podcast. Maybe you watch a lesson on YouTube. Maybe you listen to Learning English USA. This small habit can make a big difference. Many learners think they need to study English for several hours every day. This is not true. Even 15 or 20 minutes of focused practice can help you improve. The secret is consistency. Consistency means doing something regularly. If you study English for 20 minutes every day, you will often improve faster than someone who studies for 3 hours only once a week. Imagine to students. The first student studies English for 10 minutes every day. The second student studies English for 3 hours once a month. Who will improve faster? Most likely, the first student. Daily practice helps your brain remember information and build strong learning habits. Now let's talk about vocabulary. Vocabulary means the words we know and use. Many beginners worry because they do not know enough English words. However, you do not need thousands of words to start speaking English. In fact, many daily conversations use common words that appear again and again. For example, good morning, how are you, thank you, please, excuse me, see you later. These simple phrases are used every day by millions of people. The more often you hear these words, the more natural they become. One useful habit is learning 5 new words every day. 5 words may not sound like much, but let's do the math. 5 words per day equals 35 words per week. That equals more than 150 words per month. Over 1 year, that becomes more than 1,800 words. Small progress creates big results. Now let's imagine a conversation between two friends. Sarah meets David at a coffee shop. Sarah says, "Hello, David. How are you today?" David smiles and replies, "I'm doing very well. Thank you. How about you?" Sarah says, "I'm great. It's a beautiful day." David looks outside and says, "Yes, the weather is wonderful." Sarah asks, "What are your plans for today?" David answers, "I am going to work this morning, and later I will visit my family." Sarah says, "That sounds nice." This conversation is simple, but it contains many useful phrases that English learners can practice. Everyday English does not need to be complicated. Simple communication is powerful communication. Now let's talk about family. Family is very important in many cultures around the world. Some people live with their parents, some live with their spouse and children, others live alone. No matter where we live, family often plays an important role in our lives. Imagine a family having dinner together. Everyone sits around the table. Parents ask their children about school. Children talk about their day. Everyone shares stories, laughs, and enjoys spending time together. These moments help build strong relationships. Good communication is important in every family. Learning English can also improve communication. Perhaps you have family members who live in another country. Perhaps you want to travel abroad one day. English can help you connect with more people around the world. Now let's discuss friendship. Friends make life more enjoyable. Good friends support us during difficult times and celebrate with us during happy moments. Making friends may seem difficult sometimes, especially if you are learning a new language. However, friendship often begins with simple conversations. You can ask questions such as, "What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies?" These simple questions can start meaningful conversations. Many friendships begin with small talk. Small talk is casual conversation about everyday topics. People often discuss the weather, work, hobbies, sports, or travel. These topics help people feel comfortable and connected. Now let's talk about hobbies. A hobby is an activity that you enjoy during your free time. Everyone has different interests. Some people enjoy reading books. Some enjoy cooking. Others enjoy painting, gardening, playing sports, or listening to music. Hobbies are important because they help us relax and reduce stress. Imagine a woman named Emma. Emma works hard during the day. After work, she enjoys reading books. Reading helps her relax and learn new things. It is one of her favorite hobbies. Now, imagine a man named Michael. Michael enjoys playing football with his friends every weekend. Football helps him stay healthy and have fun. Different people enjoy different activities. What is your favorite hobby? Think about your answer in English. Even if your answer is simple, practicing English in your mind is excellent exercise. Now let's talk about healthy habits. Good health is one of the most valuable things we have. Healthy habits can improve our energy, mood, and quality of life. One healthy habit is regular exercise. Exercise does not have to be difficult. You do not need expensive equipment. You do not need a gym membership. Even a daily walk can improve your health. Imagine walking through a beautiful park. You hear birds singing. You feel fresh air on your face. You notice trees, flowers, and nature around you. Walking is simple, but it offers many benefits. Another healthy habit is drinking enough water. Water helps your body function properly. Many people forget to drink enough water during the day. Try keeping a bottle of water nearby as a reminder. Sleep is also very important. A good night's sleep helps your brain and body recover. Most adults need 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Good sleep can improve concentration, memory, and overall health. Now let's talk about confidence. Confidence is believing in yourself and your abilities. Many English learners struggle with confidence. They worry about making mistakes. They worry about pronunciation. They worry about grammar. However, mistakes are a normal part of learning. Every successful English speaker made mistakes when they were learning. The difference is that they continued practicing. Imagine a child learning to ride a bicycle. At first, the child may fall. The child may feel frustrated. But with practice, the child becomes better. Eventually, riding a bicycle becomes easy. Learning English works the same way. You may make mistakes. You may feel nervous. But every mistake teaches you something valuable. The important thing is to keep going. Now let's talk about reading. Reading is one of the best ways to improve English. Reading introduces you to new vocabulary, grammar patterns, and ideas. Beginners should start with simple materials. Short stories are excellent. Children's books are excellent. Beginner English articles are excellent. When reading, focus on understanding the main idea. Do not stop for every unfamiliar word. Over time, your vocabulary will naturally grow. Imagine reading a simple story every day. 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, 10 minutes the next day. After 1 year, you will have read many stories and learned hundreds of new words. Small daily actions create powerful results. Now let's discuss travel. Traveling allows us to experience new places, cultures, and people. Many people dream of visiting other countries. Travel can be exciting and educational. Imagine arriving at an airport. You hear announcements in different languages. You see travelers from around the world. You feel excited about your journey. English is often used internationally, especially in airports, hotels, and tourist areas. Learning English can make travel easier and more enjoyable. You can ask for directions. You can order food. You can make new friends. Language opens doors to new experiences. Now let's talk about technology. Technology has changed our lives in many ways. Today, we can communicate instantly with people around the world. We can learn new skills online. We can watch educational videos. We can listen to podcasts anytime and anywhere. Technology provides amazing opportunities for English learners. You can practice listening while walking. You can study vocabulary on your phone. You can join online language communities. The internet has made learning more accessible than ever before. However, balance is important. Technology is a tool. Use it wisely. Spend time learning, growing, and developing useful skills. Now let's discuss goals. Goals help us stay focused and motivated. Without goals, it is easy to lose direction. A goal gives us something to work toward. Instead of saying, I want better English, try setting specific goals. For example, I will learn 5 new words every day. I will listen to English for 20 minutes daily. I will practice speaking for 10 minutes each day. Specific goals are easier to achieve. Imagine where you could be 6 months from now. Imagine understanding English podcasts more easily. Imagine speaking with greater confidence. Imagine reading English books comfortably. All of this is possible with consistent effort. Success does not happen overnight. Success is built one day at a time. Now let's think about the future. The future is created by the choices we make today. Every time you choose to practice English, you invest in yourself. Every lesson you complete moves you forward. Every new word you learn expands your opportunities. Do not underestimate small progress. Small progress is still progress. Many learners quit because they expect immediate results. They want fluency in a few weeks. They want perfect pronunciation immediately. Language learning takes time. Be patient. Trust the process. Keep moving forward. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker once struggled with basic words and sentences. If they could learn, so can you. As we come to the end of today's lesson, I want you to remember something important. You are capable of learning English. You are capable of improving. You are capable of reaching your goals. Do not focus on perfection. Focus on progress. Practice regularly. Listen carefully. Speak confidently. Read often. Learn new words. And most importantly, never give up. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I hope this slow and easy English lesson has helped you improve your listening skills and build confidence. This is Jessica from Learning English USA. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and I will see you in our next English lesson. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Goodbye.